Hi everyone, it's Abigail here, and I'm super excited to share that I have created a short video series for you in celebration of me recently completing my certification as a family herbalist. I've been really excited to start sharing content with you as well as what I've been using. So I created this video series, 5 natural home remedies for common ailments that we all experience in our families, especially this time of year. In this video series, you'll learn the simplest and most effective remedies you can make yourself at home using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen or are very easy for you to get. You will learn why these remedies are so effective and when to use them. And I'll be sure to share with you how to make these remedies from start to finish, including what the proper dosages are. So this video series begins next week, and I'll be sharing it on my Herbal Facebook fan page. So if you're not connected with me there yet, I have left a link for it in the description of this video. Be sure to click like and watch for this video series coming next week. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much and have a great day, you guys.